Okay, here's my improvement this morning. So this is my battery backup and USB-C and USB micro right there. And I have to plug it into the bottom, but I spent a lot of time looking to make sure I got everything right. So I'm gonna take our GPS dots, put a green one there, and put a green one there. Then on the micro, I'm gonna put a little dot there, and put a little dot there. Then every morning when I wake up, to go ahead and charge this, okay? I set it down there, and in seconds, I know exactly where they go with no struggle. Okay, here's my second improvement. So I bought this amazing bed warmer in Japan, and it works great. Never knew how to work it because everything's in Japanese. So I found out the translation and labeled everything. Now I found out there's a timer for 15 minutes, so I don't have to remember to turn it off, and it works so much better. Simple improvement. I'm much happier and warmer at night. So the bottom line is, don't only start the morning by making your bed, start the morning by making an improvement. Fix what bugs you, emotional energy.